Here's the problem. Your beacon's range could be cut by as much as 50%. This happens when the victim's beacon is in a vertical orientation and the searcher's is horizontal. It's a bad coupling for the antennas. So think of it as a bad connection with your cell phone and you're losing a lot of the information. So with the best brands on the market, your range might go from 70 meters down to 35 meters in the worst case. If you've got a lesser brand, that maximum safe working range could be as short as 20 meters. That's really small. Here's the solution. We recommend you do a range check a couple times a year. That way you have a really good mental image of the best orientation, so you're getting good connection, and the worst orientation, so you're getting a bad connection. That'll tell you your safe working range, how much area you can cover with each pass of your beacon. This is a really complex topic, and you need to consult your user manual.
Draw a line in the snow. Have your team line up shoulder to shoulder. It should look like a T formation. Then the leader moves about 70 meters away and turns their beacon to send. The team switches into search. The leader moves closer with their beacon held vertical. The team raises their hand when they have a signal and calls out their distance. Note, the distance reading on your beacon is probably different from the real distance. Mark it in the snow. Remember what this looks like for your beacon search strips and for your teammates' beacons. The bad connection can show up like this at 10 meters. The direction arrow jumps around wildly. The distance number reads longer than it should. Old style bracketing can help us solve this problem when the arrow isn't reliable enough to walk the line. Watch the next video tutorial for everything you need to learn about bracketing.